These could be the top reasons why you're being questioned at the Canada airport and be prompted to either return or apply for a refugee claim. Number one, if you have misrepresented or provided false information in your visitor visa application, CBSA officer might already have an idea of what you submitted and they might cross-question you on those certain aspects, which could lead them to deny your entry to Canada. Number two, your purpose of visit to Canada. If you do not have a defined purpose of visit to Canada, it could result in a denied entry. Specifically, if you don't have documents related to your visit to Canada, such as, let's say you are attending a certain event or hotel bookings, any relationship or invitation letter from the sponsors in Canada, such documents, if not carried during your travel to Canada, could result in a denied entry. Number three, failure to prove to the officer that you will leave Canada by the end of your stay. CBSA officers are allowed to check your personal devices such as your phones, your laptops, and if they find any information which is related to any job opportunities that you are exploring in Canada which you have not declared in any of your applications prior, it could result in a misrepresentation or them denying your entry based on the fact that you were not transparent with the information on the declaration form. Also, make sure you carry a return ticket so that they are convinced that you will leave Canada by the stipulated period. Number four, previous immigration violations on prior visits. If you have overstayed in your previous visits to Canada or you worked during that period, and if the CBSA officer has knowledge of the fact, they could deny your entry to Canada. Do not assume that if you've visited Canada before, you will not be questioned this time. Each entry to Canada is based on CBSA officer's discretion. If you're not able to prove the purpose of visit on that specific entry, it is possible that you could be refused to enter Canada. The CBSA officers make you aware of your right to claim refugee if you fear persecution in your home country. The CBSA officer will never force you to claim refugee, but if you have any fear of persecution from your home country, it will be suggested by the officer to claim refugee in Canada. On the other hand, if you do not fear any persecution, you will not be at the liberty to decide whether you want to stay in Canada or not. It will be the CBSA.